Hey guys, okay, today I want to talk about my very favorite natural cleaning solutions and how to use them. Over the years, I've experimented a lot with using just everyday household ingredients as cleaning agents, and it has been life-changing. I haven't bought like formal cleaning product in a really long time, and it's been amazing. Okay, so I'm going to tell you six products. You probably have most of these in your house, okay? I'll tell you why to use them, and then I'll run through a quick roundup of ways that you can use them, and I'll have a whole post that I'll share that details all of this, so you don't have to write anything down, but this will just get the wheels turning. Okay, first, baking soda. Use it for baking, also use it for cleaning all the things. It is incredible at loosening gunk and absorbing odors. So you will see me use this a lot. Second, lemon juice, natural bleach. It's amazing. I actually buy like big jars of lemon juice at the grocery store, and then we'll use fresh ones if I need them and have them on hand. Okay. Third, white vinegar. The acidity, it helps break down buildup, and it's just amazing. So there are other ways to use it other than pickling vegetables. Salt serves as a natural scrubber. Hydrogen peroxide, I think I only will mention it once today for usage, but it is awesome for stain removal in addition to boo-boo management, so double win. And then finally, I was going to say it's optional, but actually it's not optional. It's great. Is essential oils. That's the number 6. And that one you might not have kicking around your house. Go to the drugstore or Whole Foods or wherever, and you can pick your favorite scents. Okay, so here are 8 quick ways that I use them. First, baking soda plus lemon will solve your disgusting kitchen sink and drying rack problems. I actually, I'll sprinkle baking soda, and then if I've been using lemons and have just rind kicking around, I'll like scrub the baking soda in with the lemon rind. I just did it this weekend. It's awesome. It makes things smell better and just breaks down all the gross stuff. Similarly, kitchen and bathroom countertops, baking soda, I just sprinkle it to kind of loosen all the gunk. And then actually I have a little tool to show you. This is the Full Circle Micromanager, and it's awesome for getting around the hardware, around the sink hardware. So it's an awesome little tool I use. Otherwise, you can just use a cloth to wipe things down. 3, the dreaded toilet. Sprinkle baking soda in there and just use your scrubber, and it'll help break everything down. And then also sometimes our toilet just smells kind of mildewy, so after I've cleaned it, sometimes I'll just sprinkle in some essential oils like peppermint or something to make it smell better. Just let it sit in there and do its thing until the next flush, and it's like immediately better. Okay, 4th, dreaded bathtub and shower scum. Baking soda, sprinkle it, pour in some lemon juice, let it sit, and then I use this Full Circle, just like Tough Stuff, that's what it's called, to scrub and get all the gross stuff out. So seriously, bathrooms are not my favorite, but baking soda and lemon juice and all this other stuff makes it a lot easier. Okay, unclogging drains. This is like a big one for me. Please do not ever buy toxic chemical drain unclogger stuff again. You do not need it. It's terrible for the earth. You just don't need it. All you need is baking soda, white vinegar, let it sit and do its bubbly thing, and then plunge it if you need to. Again, I'll share the link with all the ratios and everything for exactly how to do this stuff, but I just wanted to give you a quick overview of like how simple it is. I shared about this last summer, but using baking soda plus essential oils to de-stink shoes. I had my kids make these little natural sachets using coffee filters and just filling them with baking soda and essential oils and then tying them off with twine or whatever. Amazing for de-stinking shoes. 7, laundry. If things are, like towels and athletic gear that start to smell a little funky, just sprinkle a little baking soda in your next round of laundry. Incredible at solving that problem. And then number 8, and I have a whole separate video on this, actually as I do with the unclogging the drains thing. I'll link all this stuff up in my post. Armpit stain management. I used to throw out white shirts because of the yellow gross stains. And I will include the video link, but using white vinegar, baking soda, salt, and hydrogen peroxide, you can just remove that stuff. It's like freaking magic. Okay, so I hope this has inspired you to remove the toxins and just use the everyday household ingredients you already have, probably all of them, almost all of them, in your house. And yeah, it's so helpful. I'll include the link with all the recap and the how to do all of this, and I'll see you next time.